In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a document in DocHub. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to remove a file from your DocHub account, step by step, so you can keep your workspace tidy and focused. This process is quick, but it's important to be deliberate so you don't remove the wrong document. Start by opening your web browser and going to docHub.com. Once you're there, log into your account. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the hub for everything in your workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, click My Documents. This is where your files are organized and where you'll choose the item you want to remove. Take a moment to locate the specific file you intend to delete. Look closely at the file name, any date information you see, and any other details that help you confirm it's the right one. Being careful here prevents accidental deletions, especially if you have similar versions or duplicates. Now move your mouse over that file. As you hover over it, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots appear, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. From the list of options that appears, choose Delete. DocHub will then ask you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is designed to protect you from removing a file by mistake. Read the confirmation prompt and make sure you're comfortable proceeding. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need that file in your account, click to confirm Delete again. Once you confirm, the file is removed from your My Documents view and your list updates accordingly. If you are collaborating on the document or sharing it, remember that deleting it may impact access for others, so it's a good idea to verify that no one still needs it before you finalize the action. That's all there is to it. Go to DocHub, log in, open My Documents from the left sidebar, find the correct file, hover to reveal the 3 dots, choose Delete, and confirm. Taking a few extra seconds to double check the file before you confirm can save you a lot of hassle later. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to keep your DocHub workspace organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat the same process for any other files you no longer need.